Hello and welcome to Measurement Vignette number 7 from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short presentation will look at NRM2 guidance on managing risk. Unlike its predecessor, SMM7, Section 2 of NRM2 contains some useful guidance on a number of items relating to measurement of building work. There are three approaches suggested by NRM2 for managing residual risk. Firstly, transfer the risk to the contractor. Secondly, risks are shared by the employer and the contractor. And finally, that risks are retained by the employer by means of provisional sums. This final option is covered in Vignette number 6. Any risk that is transferred to the contractor will almost certainly attract a premium, which the contractor will be entitled to whether or not the risk materializes. Contractor risk allowances are exclusive of profit and overheads, but are deemed to have been allowed for in the contractor's programming and planning. So why would an employer adopt this approach? One reason is it gives price certainty. This page illustrates a template taken from NRM2 to be included in the bill of quantities or work package, where any risks that the contractor is asked to accept is fully and accurately described in order to avoid misunderstandings. An alternative approach is for the client to retain risk by the inclusion of provisional quantities. The disadvantage of provisional quantities is that contractors may load the pricing. However, for the first time, guidance is given on pricing the remeasured work, where the difference in the remeasured and the original quantities is less than 20%. As always, for the complete picture, go to Duncan Cartledge Online.